Hi everyone, this is a short tutorial on how to use Microsoft Teams platform to create a virtual classroom where we can invite all our students to join. Um, I will try to simplify the steps. First of all, you have of course if the Microsoft Teams is not downloaded, you have to search for it. So for example from here Microsoft on my screen this would appear because it's already downloaded. So once you download the Microsoft Teams, it would ask you to sign in or to sign up for free. Please choose the option of signing in using your GGU email, because in this way you will be automatically connected to my GGU and you will be able to use the email addresses and the email and the accounts of your GGU students. So let's say that the Microsoft Teams is downloaded. Okay, you will have an interface like this one. Okay, using the menu on your left side, you can choose Teams. Okay, and then you will have something like this with different classrooms that I have already created. So in order to create a new classroom, you go here. So you have the option to join or to create a team. Okay, and then I have to choose this option, which is create a team. Okay, and now I have to select the classroom. Now it would ask you to add the name of the course you want to create or the classroom you want to create. For this, let me say course CVE1, for example, and then next. Okay, so now the classroom for that course has to be created. Okay, and now the next screen is the teams would ask you to add the students. Okay, so we can add students as well as teachers, but the good thing here that everyone, every single employee in GGU can be identified here, because as I said, this is directly connected to my GGU. For example, if I choose one of my students, for example, Suhaib, okay, and anyone else, you will have them directly as a list like this. So if I select him, of course, you can add many students in one shot, and then you select, let's say, add. So you will have the whole list. Now I have Suhaib, but we can have the whole list of all the students, and then we can proceed. So I will not proceed, I will close, and I will use one of the classrooms that I have already created. For example, this is for my course. As you can see, the first thing, you can have like a chat page where you can announce to the students, you can chat with them. Okay, you can, on the top, you have the option here to upload class materials, to share it with them, to share an assignment, sorry, from the top menu, as well as files. If you upload, for example, if you go with this option to upload class materials, it would appear directly on the chatting page. And now down the page, you have a menu with different options, and you have the option to meet directly with your students, and this would be like an online lecture, interactive one. And for example, if I choose to meet my students, okay, I can activate the camera. Okay, if I choose, for example, meet now. Okay, you have this screen. Okay, once you start, you can you can choose start recording, and this is a very a good option, because you can have the lecture recorded for those who missed the lecture, so they can come back. Okay, they can come back. Okay, they can come back, and as you can see here, you will have your lectures recorded, and they can attend the lecture even if they missed it the first time. You can ask the students also to mute their speakers. In this way, you would not have like an echo. You have the options. The students will have the option to raise hand, so you can see who is willing to ask, for example, a question, or they can post all their questions on the chat page. And then, for example, you leave 10 minutes at the end, and you can then go through all the questions and answer them. Yani, I think I hope that this tutorial, very short tutorial, would be helpful for you to deliver your lectures online. Thank you, and bye-bye.